Hello kids, this is story time and today we are going to read a science fiction story. The title is Strange Vegetables. Let's start the story. Professor Prasad is old. He teaches science. He is very clever man. One day, Professor Prasad calls his class together. Today, he says, we will plant some seeds. We will look after them. We will watch the plants grow. What seeds are they, sir? Asks Fred. Vegetable seeds, says Professor Prasad. Sir, can we eat them when they grow? Asks Mona. Yes, says Professor Prasad. But these are magic seeds. The children are excited. How are they magic? They ask. You will see, says Professor Prasad. The children put soil into long boxes. They put these on the windowsill in the sunshine. They plant the seeds and water them every day. Well done, says Professor Prasad. Now we will wait. You will soon see some magic. After some weeks, the plants are big. There are lots of tiny flowers. Then the vegetables appear. But how strange! The vegetables are very odd. The tomatoes are square. The cucumber is blue. The beans are like bangles. The radishes are orange. And the carrots are like hands. Professor Prasad's magic vegetables are very fine. Indeed. What do you think? Professor Prasad really did some magic? Or was it a trick? We will know this in our next session. Keep tuning.